Launchpad is great for opening up regular applications on your macOS. But what happens if you could actually use Launchpad to open up specific folders or even specific documents that you use on a regular basis? Let me show you how you can actually do that. Here is a random folder that I've put into my Launchpad. When I click it, it opens up a Finder window with that random folder here. So how can we go about getting our folders into Launchpad? Launchpad works because it opens applications. But if you try to put folders or even aliases of certain documents into Launchpad, it doesn't recognize it because Launchpad is designed to open applications. So what we have to do is to create an application that simply opens a folder or a document. How do you do that? Our first step is to use Automator. Automator is a program that can help us create a very simple application to do just what we want it to do. So hit Command Space and type Automator. Once Automator, you'll see the icon there, click Enter. And then you'll see the Automator window open up. Hit a new document, and you see different things that you can create with Automator. We want an application. Double click it, and this window opens up. There are two basic actions that we want to put into Automator for our application to work. The first thing we want Automator to do is actually get the specified Finder item that we want to open up. So on this section right here, scroll down to Get Specified Finder Items and drag that into the main window. And then you can add the Finder item that you want to open up. In our case, our folder is in Data, Launchpad Shortcuts, and a random folder. And here we see another random folder. This is the item that we're going to be putting into our Launchpad. Click it and then hit Add, and you see another random folder included. So by doing that, we have told Automator to get this specific folder. The next thing we want to do is have Automator open the specific Finder item that we told it to get. So to do that, you scroll down a little bit further and you see Open Finder Items. Drag this over to the main window and leave it set as default application. We can test this to make sure that it works by coming over to Run on the top right, click it, and we will see that yes, it opened up another random folder. So we know that it works exactly how we like it. Go ahead and click back to Automator to make sure that it's the main window, and you'll see that by looking at this right here. And then we're going to save this application. So go to File, Save, and we're going to tell it to save it in the random folder application that we made. So let's change the name of the app to whatever you want it to be in Launchpad. And hit Save. Go ahead and close out of Automator. Let's go ahead and open up our random folder again so that we can see where we're at. And here we go. We have our another random folder app set up. One of the things I like to do is instead of just leaving it the default application icon is to actually customize it. So one of the ways you can do that, I have here just a random folder PNG. If you double click it, Preview opens it up, and then select Command A and then Command C to copy it. Close out of that. Go back to your random folder application that you made. Right click it, select Get Info, and on the top here, click the icon to the left of the description, hit Command V, and close out of the info. Now your application has a custom icon. Whatever you want, you can put in there. All you do after this is drag it over to Applications, and it creates a copy of it. And now you have another random folder in your applications. If you want to, you can delete this or you can keep it, whichever you prefer. If you go to Launchpad, you will see another random folder. If you open it up, there you go. Another random folder opens up in Finder Items. You can also do the same thing with random Word documents as well in order to open up those. In fact, let's do that real quick. Go back to Automator, Command Space, hit Enter. Automator will open up. We will make a new document, an application. Scroll down to Get Specified Finder Items. Drag that over. Click Add. Go to your folder that you have your application. Double click it and it will add it. Random document. Then we're going to open it. Scroll down to, too far. Open Finder Items, drag that over using the default application. And then you can run it just to be safe. And there you go. This is a random Word doc. So we have our random Word doc selected, and so that shows that it does open. Then go to File. Well, this is where I kind of messed up. You got to click Automator first, and then File, Save. And then we're going to make this a new app, random Word doc, and hit Save. Okay, we're done with that. And now we have an app that opens up this Word document. So you can do the same thing, but for now I'm just going to drag it into our applications folder. And there it is, random Word doc. So if you click this, there you go, random Word doc opens up. So hopefully that'll help you get a lot more use out of your Launchpad. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.